All right, so we got an apartment building that has no hot water, so we're gonna go see what happened to the boiler. There's a flood and flooded the building, so I'm pretty sure that the boiler got wet. Water fell on the burners. We'll see if there's a chance we can save it. If not, then we might have to just replace it. But stay tuned. We'll see what's going on with this boiler. She don't want to get a new one. All right, so we were here trying to start it, and we got everything except the gas valve. Inducer motor was going. We got 24 volts going to the gas valve and no flame on the burners. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it and get these people hot water. Just gonna remove that union, take that pilot tubing off, disconnect all the wires, unscrew it, and switch it out. No big deal. Okay, I'm just looking at how the wiring was before. There is the new valve, there's the old valve, new valve. Fresh out the box, baby. There was water all over the place, so let's hope nothing else got damaged. So as soon as I said the job would be easy, the screw on this pilot tubing said, hold my beer. It wasn't coming off for anything, then it stripped. So I'm just gonna get them a new pilot tubing. I'm gonna break this off and I'll get some new pilot tubing on there, no big deal. Let's see. Just undid the pipe, spun it that way, and I held it with this one. Easy. Just unscrew that right now. No big deal. And then this one, I'm spinning it up like that. We hold the red one down and then we go up with this one and unscrew the gas valve. It's already out. Once I crack it loose, I like to switch over to channel locks. You know, once it's loose. Just be careful with the wires as you're spinning the gas valve. Make sure you don't snag any wires. Okay, we got the old one out, in with the new. Let's go. But before that, I gotta remove the burners, slide them out so I can remove that pilot tubing and get a new one in there. All right, so I just took those two screws off from the top, slid it out, very easy. These two screws right here were tied onto that L metal right there on the boiler. To get to this pipe, so you gotta remove this screw right here. So I'm just gonna remove the support for the pilot assembly. I just had to bang this on the other side so I can release it because it was not releasing it. So I just gotta unscrew this there. So I'm just gonna remove these screws right here so I'm able to get to this. Okay, screws are out. These. So I'm holding it with the vice grips right there and I'm just spinning this loose. So I got it off there. It was in there like that, now it's off. So I'm gonna go grab some pilot tubing, come back. Be right back, fellas. Here's my little bid. I got the new pipe, I'm installing it right now. That's pretty much it. Everything's going smooth. I blew into the pilot tubing and it's leaking. I gotta tighten that up some more. I won't be able to do that once it's installed. I can't get to it. All right, no more leaks. Finally got the burners in there. First started the first 2 threads. Then I'm putting my gasket or my pipe though, so I don't get any inside the gas valve. And then we wipe that out. I'll get some pipe dough on there and twist it right on. So to tighten up that pipe, I hold that gray one steady and then I twist downward with the red. So I got that on there, the union. Gotta tighten it up. Right now I got the tubing on there. I hooked up the Molex plug. I have to redo this because I got it pinched. And I have to fix this too. It fell apart from the ground. And it's just falling apart. So that's it. I got the wires fixed. It's working. And we'll have hot water again. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, see you guys on the next one. This one was a success. Just when I thought I was going home. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. It's a nice little town, you know.